right, so it's about 6 o'clock here. This is so cool. We're gonna get it. We're gonna start a small fire because it is like freaking 30 degrees outside, but we're just gonna be throwing some jigs with some shiners that we caught right off the drop off here and see how it goes. Last year I caught a 26-inch walleye and a pretty nice northern, so there we go. Let's get it. She's a little frosty. That's cold on the old hands. It was a little chilly last night, I guess. Just gonna go right through the mouth like this.
Oh, yeah.
No, and then through the gills. And then you're just gonna flip it like this. And then through the stomach. That's how we do it anyway. I like to let it just sink all the way to the bottom. And then once it hits the bottom, I give it a few seconds. Now, you really, like spring walleye fishing, at least for me, I like to work it really slow. So I'm just gonna bounce it right off the bottom. And then I'm gonna let it sit for another 10 seconds or 5 seconds. Gosh, that's nice. A little chilly, but, oh, there's a bite. For sure. I'm just gonna let him take it. Can't tell if he's got it anywhere. I don't think so. You can definitely tell something whacked it though. I really want to catch. Are you kidding me right now? You didn't even cast good either. You just right over my line.
You have a fish.
Are you kidding me? Kate, hurry up. Get it off, buddy. Are you kidding me right now? He's gonna get off. He's gone.
Well, you think I tried to cross your line?
Yeah.
No.
How's it going?
You guys are building a fire out here?
Just a little one. Anything else is done. Jesus!
Oh God, I didn't think it would go that high. Oh, Hunter.
Oh, I got something.
Yeah, this just sitting there.
Catch a fish.
Hey, that's how we roll on old.
Are you trying or something, Dad? It's probably a little northern. It's whoa.
Oh yeah, it's a...
What is it? Oh, northern. Kane! Come on, buddy. You're really striking out today. Here, Dad. You can catch one now.
Thanks, buddy.
Nope.
Appreciate it.
Got him.
There we go. How's it going, Dad? Pretty good? No, you can.
No, my shiner.
Kid,
Got him.
we have like 30 shiners.
No, well, I got my shiner back. My boot is soaking now.
Why? You didn't need to do that. My minnow! Shoot! You got a connection to it or what?
No,
Did you name it? Oh, there's a fish. Oh!
That was a bite.
Get him. Crank him, wait for him to pull on it. Oh, there's a fish. I can't reel! There we go. I'm telling you, the trick is to just let them sit there. Keep them?
Walleye. Mine was a walleye. See, mine literally chased it upwards.
Yeah, sure. I can't just let my rod sit there, though.
Why?
I don't know.
You're not even using your good rod?
Oh know.
We were really hoping that there wasn't going to be a burn warning today.
There was yesterday. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I mean, we do have a fire marshal or whatever, but like, it's wet. We're not around any grass at all. We're right by the lake. Oh, there we go.
You want a net?
I am amazing. No, it's not very big.
Do nothing.
Oh, is that a walleye? No. Look at those colors, though. That's cool. Look how bright it is right there. Watch this. There you go. That was a hook set. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's big though. Ooh, that one's got more size to it. Or not.
So I was doing nothing because I was helping you, and I caught my first fish.
There you go. That's the biggest one.
Nice.
We know what we're doing.
Got one?
No.
Got one? No. Not this time. Oh, there's a fish though. Oh, my bail's open. Oh, it's a bass.
You should not have caught that.
That was so stupid.
Double set.
That was pretty stupid.
That was a walleye. That would have been long gone.
Luckily, it's just a largie though. That was pretty cool, actually. Whoa. Oh, that's a good one.
Is it a walleye?
No, it's another northern. You don't need the net for this, do you? Yep. Got you.
Oh God, this will be interesting.
Wish I would have got it.
Oh, kitty.
When the line swims away, it gets better.
There you go.
That's bad.
I thought that was a fish. It was
I
like
don't know how that wasn't a fish. Must have dropped it. But maybe it didn't. I don't know.
that was pretty funny. I thought you had one for sure. It looked like it was like taking it too. Oh yeah, maybe.
Like my line's leaving. It's got to be good.
Worst.
Swimming away. Shoot. That was a. Oh.
What?
Suck the eyes out?
That's what walleyes do.
They suck the eyes
You
out.
only had him by the head like this. That was a walleye.
Well,
I've never not had that happen with any other fish other than a walleye.
Really? Get him, Dad. Ooh, nice. That's a good one. Oh, that's a nice one, Dad. What is it?
Oh, it's nicer.
Can't tell.
That might be a bass.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's a bass. Yeah.
Yes. Look at that, Dad.
Sweet.
There you go.
Good one.
Cool. Just a pike, little guy. There you go. Told you had a bite.